What's up, guys? We are in Presque Isle Bay, and you're probably wondering why I'm fishing this pond right now. Just for the simple fact that I like to start out with this pond and then work my way over to the bay, just to catch a few fish, get the skunk off our hands, and bluegill spawn, big bluegill spawn. There's big largemouths swimming right there. So here we go, first cast. Get out of there. There you go. It's a good one. No, I'm gonna throw him back, dude. It's a nice one though, isn't it? You wanna see him? You can throw him back in if you want. Okay. You can throw it back in if you want. You know what kind of fish this is?
A bass.
There you go. Oh. That's my second one.
Is this a lot of poop?
What's that?
Is this poop?
Yeah, some of it's geese poop.
Ew.
Ew. Yeah. There you go.
That's a huge eye.
Yeah, that's they get bigger. You want ready?
It's
gonna touch
slimy.
Yeah.
You want to hold him?
Yeah, you want to hold him? Get a picture with him? You say you're gonna throw him back in.
You can.
You can. It's buddy. I promise you, it's not gonna hurt you.
He's not going to get you.
Look, you see, there's no teeth.
Feel in there. Look, mommy.
Just sandpaper.
Isn't
See?
that weird? Just go like that and hold him.
Yeah, just hold him with your thumb.
You do it.
You do it.
No, you.
Look, like that.
Go ahead. No?
I'm gonna have to throw him back in.
Bloody on the side.
You got to
Yeah.
put him back in so he can breathe.
Right when it hit the water, he hit it. Doing us our little bass dance, wasn't it? She got a bluegill. Nice sun. It's a red ear.
was a big one.
Oh, you need bigger than this?
Hey, that's nice. That's a nice red ear.
I'll take it.
That's a big red ear. Look at that red ear.
How are you going to take it?
Huh?
How are you going to take it to home?
No, we're not gonna take it out.
Yeah, okay.
Just let him go. All right, guys, I got a nice largemouth here. Some nice gentlemen's holding it for me, holding the camera for me. Got him on a 3-inch Senko. So let's get him back. Thank you. Yeah. She goes. Thank you.